Yo guys, welcome back. Here, oh my god, that looks lovely. We're getting a late start today. Yesterday's vlog and half of today's vlog got deleted. How? I don't know. This morning when I woke up, I edited everything last night, like completely. So I had to clear my USD, whatever fuck drive it is, so I can do today's vlog. Well, I didn't upload yesterday's vlog, my laptop died. Well, not my laptop, my phone died. Because I do everything on my phone, then I transfer it to a friend, and he puts it up online. It's a long process. But my phone died. And everything got lost. The upload and everything edit. Like, I fell asleep editing. I got this cool software on my phone where I can edit it, and so I use that, and yeah, everything got deleted. Everything got deleted. Really? So freaking windy. But yeah, everything got deleted. I cried. I was like, yeah. I was like, you know what? It's not too late to start going, and we can get more because it's like only. It's only 1:30, okay? But I had a lot. Like, I got this, it's so windy! Like, earlier I caught a, not like an accident, but like I caught the aftermath of an accident. Like, I was doing like this, and then the accident happened. And I was like, oh shit! And I turned around and yeah. But all that got deleted. So now we're here. It isn't really too bright out with glasses, but I like the sun. So now, skating off to Family Dollar to get snacks. Doo-doo. Woo! But squeak. Hey. Don't be a hater. Just be a cool guy. Look at that. Storm. Now, I'm not even really going that fast, guys, and the wind is freaking terrible. I already know it's gonna sound loud in the vlog, so I apologize, you know, if it is like that. So I'll see y'all when I get to Family Dollar. Maybe not. Well, guys, my luck. It started raining. I don't know if I want to chance it, try to skate home, or just stay here. I don't know, I'm debating about it right now, guys. Let's go. Like, literally right as I got to the parking lot, it started raining. I was like, oh fuck. And now, it's super freaking windy. I'll see y'all guys when I get home. I got a lot of snacks in my backpack. Plus I got money, plus I got my phone, so I need to get home. I'll see y'all in a second, guys. Well, guys. I'm on my way. I literally just, like, not even 5 minutes ago, recorded the last bit. But it is super freaking windy. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not, but it is. So, like, the wind is pushing me. Yeah. I'm out of breath, and I've only been skating this road. That's a lot. Looks like the rain has passed over somewhat. I mean, it's Florida weather. It rains 1 minute, next minute it's gone, and it circles back around and just slams us. Like freaking John Cena and the freaking Undertaker. How the fucking Undertaker just slammed John Cena. He's like, ah! Boom, one-handed. Fucking John Cena gets knocked the fuck out. That's how hard we get hit. Okay. Honest. Keep getting rain or wind, whatever. But you know what? We really desperately need the rain. Because in Florida, today as of May, I think it's 11th or something, we asked them to call it a fire band or a band of fire. Like, you cannot have like no freaking fire whatsoever. No pit, no nothing. If you get caught having a fire, then you get a huge ass ticket. I think they have ruled it up to now as a ticket and jail time. Just in the last month, there's been so many fires here. Across the bridge of St. Pete. Fuck, it's raining again, guys. Over in St. Pete. Ah! Hopefully up here. I'll try to skate on the sidewalk and get home faster. Hopefully it doesn't. Oh my lord, I'm racing against time. Oh my lord, I don't want to get soaked. Please, Lord, help me. Oh! See? Oh my lord, there's water drops. Can't see on my glasses. Oh my lord, oh my lord. Oh my lord. Oh my lord. So much dirt. I'm also trying not to get my grip tape. Fuck. Grip tape fucked up either. That seems like an issue right here. That's what the rain want to do, is fuck me up. Now I'm just sitting here racing against time and rain. I'm not running in the rain for a fact, it's right there. Huge drop that's up here. Today I really want to do something. Let's just go. First you move going across just like that. Not even stopping and looking. Here it is, the end of the day, the end of the vlog, the time to say goodbye. Here it is, 3 days streak if I am correct. I don't know, I will tell y'all tomorrow what streak it is. But I'm gonna keep it a while streak. I want to try to go to daily vlogs. And I think I can do it. I'm coming back from the store, got myself a drink. Sun is setting, that is a gorgeous sunset right there. Y'all have no idea how beautiful that is. So hold on guys, I want to pause it right here and I'll be back in a second because I want to get that fun picture and I'll take a picture of that and put it on Instagram for y'all and Twitter. So hold on. Picture will be right after this at the ending, just for y'all. So if y'all don't have Instagram or Twitter, y'all will be able to see it and won't miss it out. But that is beautiful guys. Actually I got a good picture of it. So, and guys, I am not swaying or, you know, wavy or nothing or drunk. I'm in boots. See? These are the cowboy boots. Got my cowboy boots. So I'm wearing these. And I am not used to the boots for years. So that's I'm gonna wear a pair of boots. So I got me a new pair. Here we are. But yep guys, like I said, it's the end of the day. I hate to go. But you know what guys? There's a tomorrow morning. And I got something very special planned for tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow. But with that said, guys, please, very please, from the deep depth of my heart, smash that subscribe button, hit the like, hit the bell so you never miss any of my notifications, and comment what y'all want me to do tomorrow or in the future. And also, please guys, share my channel. I really do appreciate it. I'm trying to get, I think last time I checked was 30 subscribers, which that's very great. But my goal is 100 before I leave for Job Corps, which I got till June. Because I am going sometime in June to do a walkthrough of the campus. See, you know, what all I'm going to experience. In June, I am. Hopefully June or July I'm going to be going. So with that said, guys, I will see y'all tomorrow. Much love. And always remember, guys, just keep a smile, move forward no matter how tough times are. Things will get better. Time will become better. It may not seem like it at first, but it will. So guys, get up for me. Just keep that smile, move forward, and cheer up. Remember, tomorrow could be a better day. Tomorrow will be a better day. I will see y'all tomorrow. Love y'all.